You will not need to recruit every person in time of mission. Yes, so teamwork over me work. Teamwork, I didn't say group work. And another thing to take note is that in the field, it's not just everybody that gets into the field. The audience will always be more than those in the field. This is to tell you that even in your purpose, in life, on earth, yes, some people just your standard, just the way you live your life. Some people will move away by themselves. You don't need to drag them. So I totally believe it's not our responsibility to force or watch anything, but it's a possibility to set standards based on our assignments, our purpose, and what we're supposed to be doing. In that way, people will align. You see who is a good defender, you see where you need who, and they that are not needed, sometimes they'll feel uncomfortable and leave. But one thing about team-based sport is that there are a lot of life lessons you get from team-based sport. It's not just about the game or the game day. It's a mindset before the game. It's a communication. It's a communication with the coach and the players. The players amongst it. It's just a lot of dynamic. It's what is happening in someone's family. Is someone's health? Did someone have an injury? How it affects the entire team. But importantly, it's also the fact that people come from, like, for example, Cameroon with the crisis, Anglophone, Francophone. In the field, it's not about Anglophone, Francophone. It's who is better to be a defender, who is better to be the attacker, who is better to be at this position, who is better to be at the coach. So they are just looking for those who can do the job and represent the country. And also, when they're in the field, what are they looking for? They're looking for how can we represent our country, our culture, and everything. And like I say this is how we are supposed to live. We focus a lot on our differences and not what we can use, the strengths of each other, and acknowledging the weaknesses to support and grow together. So this is an encouragement that teamwork is intentional. It doesn't mean somebody you don't need somebody. You should not focus on their weakness, because that's what someone else need them. That's the point. Someone else need them. So the fact someone does not also need you, it shouldn't be a problem, because guess what? Someone else needs you. So that's why I believe it's important for us to know ourselves, so that we can. Before teamwork, there is individual work. Teamwork only work if each player has done his or her job. Teamwork is not about everybody just coming and working together. No, it's you have done the job, training yourself, because before you're called to a national team or a club, it's because they have seen the work you've done on yourself. So it's the same thing in life. We all have to keep working on ourselves each day, intentionally knowing where we have to serve. Intentionally knowing where you have to serve. Don't just live your life as an experiment, because the most important thing is that none of us are living on this earth forever. And once you have that mindset, you know that you have time that you don't know when it expires. I've heard many people talk about rapture. Do you believe in rapture? When is rapture? Do you believe in the second coming of Jesus? When is it? I've seen also many people just waiting for rapture. My question is, will you want to wait for rapture and be disqualified at the entrance? Or do you want to do the work before rapture ever occurs? And remember, this rapture even may be the day you transition. So be more intentional using your time, using your resources wisely. Team up with. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you had something to take from this video. Please let know what was your take home from this video. And please, if you are new here, we say welcome again. We love you. We are sending much love to you. And if you've not yet subscribed, we encourage you to click that subscribe button. And please don't forget to share with loved ones. We would like to have you back here again and again, and we want to keep getting your feedback so that we keep improving on what we are sharing. Thank you so very much. We hope this will be a blessing to you, and it will make you be a better light, a better person, and above all, you will live to fulfill your purpose on earth happily and create impact that will last for generations and not just for seasons. Love you, thank you. Again, don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell. Love you, ciao.